Why do fish live in salt water? Or better yet, why do some fish need salt water to survive? Let's get into it. Of course, there are fish that can survive in both saltwater and freshwater, but I'll get to that in a second. Look, simply put, fish that live in salt water live in an environment where the concentration of salt is higher than what is in their bodies. So they constantly risk losing water through osmosis. Which means, and I know this sounds weird, they don't want to get dehydrated. Even though they live in the water, that's possible. So they drink a lot of seawater, and then they excrete the salts through their gills and their kidneys. So if you put one in fresh water without that excess salt, that means trouble because they struggle to osmoregulate and maintain that internal balance. Which means there's an influx of water without the salt, even though they're used to excreting that salt, it's just water. And so that can cause their cells to swell up and potentially burst. Now, obviously there's more to it than that, but that's a pretty simplified version. Like I said earlier, there are certain types of fish that can survive in both types of water. We call these dihydramous. This group includes striped bass, sturgeon, salmon, bull sharks, American eels, among others. Hope that helps.